Welcome to Guatemala, a land where volcanoes kiss the clouds, where ancient forests whisper through the mist, and where time flows gently between mountains and lakes. This is a country where the earth still breathes, and where the soul of nature speaks in silence. In the heart of Central America, Guatemala rises with timeless grace. Its landscapes are wild and sacred. Volcanoes, rainforests, and crystal-clear lakes weave together, like threads of an ancient tapestry. Here, every sunrise feels like a beginning, and every sunset a prayer. Lake Atitlán rests quietly among volcanic giants. Its waters shimmer with reflections of sky and fire, and the mountains that guard it seem alive, as if watching over centuries of peace and change. At dawn, the lake awakens in silver mist. Fishermen glide across its surface in silence, and the air carries the scent of morning dew. Every ripple tells a story. Every glimmer of light feels like a memory reborn. The lake is not just a body of water. It is a mirror of the world's stillness. Beyond the lake, the highlands unfold in waves of green. Terraced hills rise above valleys, where clouds drift low across pine forests and hidden trails. The air smells of earth and rain, and the wind carries the voices of those who walked here long before. It is a place where nature and memory breathe as one. Here, silence is not emptiness, it is presence. In the shadow of the volcanoes lies Antigua, a city frozen in time. Cobblestone streets wind past old churches and silent arches, and in the distance, the volcano Agua watches quietly, its peak lost in clouds. Every stone tells a story of strength, of beauty, of survival. When night falls, the city glows softly under the moonlight, and the air hums with the quiet rhythm of the past. Travel north, and the land changes. The Petén jungle spreads vast and deep, its green canopy hiding the secrets of the ancient Maya. Among the trees stand the ruins of Tikal, temples that rise toward the heavens, their steps worn by centuries of sun and silence. Here, howler monkeys echo through the trees, and birds move like brushstrokes across the morning light. Time does not pass here, it lingers. You can almost hear the whispers of forgotten kings, their voices carried by the wind. Rivers wind like silver veins through the forest, carving paths toward waterfalls and hidden caves. The sound of rushing water blends with the hum of life, a natural symphony that has never stopped playing. Sunlight filters through the leaves, turning the air into gold. Every droplet, every leaf, every breath of wind feels like part of the same eternal rhythm. To the west, the mountains climb higher still. Mist curls around their slopes, and shepherds walk the trails with quiet steps. Villages cling to cliff sides like memories, their people living close to the earth, guided by the same sky that watched over their ancestors. The simplicity of life here feels sacred, a harmony between man and mountain. In the evenings, fires glow in the valleys, their smoke rising like prayers to the stars. In the east, the land opens to rivers and valleys. The Rio Dulce flows gently through dense jungle, its waters reflecting the green canopy above. Boats drift slowly between cliffs draped in vines, and birds glide through the calm air. It feels like a dream suspended in time, a world untouched, breathing softly with the earth. Here, the silence is not lonely, it is alive. What makes Guatemala truly special is not only its landscapes, but its spirit, quiet, enduring, alive. It is a country that teaches stillness, that beauty can exist in silence, and that peace is not found but remembered. As the mist rises above its valleys, and the stars appear over its sleeping volcanoes, you feel something awaken inside. Guatemala is not just a place on the map. It is a sanctuary of nature, a bridge between sky and soul, where the heart learns once more how to listen.